Lift of the wrist.
Not that switch.
Nice.
That's luxury. Luxury.
Gotta push. No.
Oh, yeah.
No, there you go.
Nice.
Super great.
Such a cool vessel. Look at these big side opening windows as well. The whole front window up forward. So this right here lifts up and closes this off as well too.
I took the front down.
Just amazing design, amazing amount of light, airflow, ventilation. Valley Catamarans, one of the most innovative catamarans on the market.
Make sure it's all the way down. Make sure your locks are still in place. Don't want to mess with that.
Look at this, unbelievable. Impressive. Completely closes this off.
Real important. Don't try to
Back
get this
through.
up without. Make sure these locks are undone.
Locking system.
And here's the switch back here.